This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59 RAW is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, skylight, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front kitchen, front living area, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59RA is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.